Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. It's a plant video and let us start off straight away with our Echeveria Milako. This is my Echeveria Milako. Now this is my Kalankoi variegator. It's a beautiful and easy growing succulent. Just that we have to be careful with the watering, and see my pot is full. Now this is my Chrysula ovate, the variegated one. And the best part about this particular succulent is the margins are turning pink, a beautiful pink. And I'm just hoping that in the days to come it is going to get more intense. Hope so. Now this is again my Milako. Look at the change in the color, looking somewhat like Echeveria chroma. Oh, see, look at the color, the intense pink. Wow, beautiful one. But I have to be careful with the watering regarding succulents. Very tricky they are. I have been growing succulents for quite some time now. I think it's about 4 years or so. Still, it is so hard to understand them. Now I told you this is my Milako, and suddenly the top has turned beautiful. Now this is my Aglaonema. Look at it, what a beautiful plant. A neglected plant, still in the small plastic pot, but looking beautiful. Now this is what has happened to my Aeonium. This is the reason why I keep saying that succulents are very tricky. It is very hard to understand. I don't know, just yesterday I just touched the plant, the pot, and the leaves started falling. Now this is my golden sedum. All of it are leaf grown. Wherever I used to find the leaves, I used to just drop it here, and this is how they have developed and how they look. A beautiful plant. Now this is my sedum, and last year during the monsoons I had almost lost it. This is how it looks right now. I have to keep it protected this year. I don't know the name of this particular succulent, given to me by my sister-in-law, and I have repotted. This is the pot full of geraniums plus a few extra plants like the trade scantia, plus the succulent was here itself, and I just shifted it, I think yesterday. And this is my cutting. Look at the ivy geranium cutting. I don't know why the leaves are turning yellow. If y'all know the reason, do share with me, please. Now this is my sedum. This is also leaf grown, and it is looking so happy and healthy. Give you an update about the geraniums. This is how they look right now. The 3 of them, I have repotted them into a slightly bigger pot. The 4th one is still there in its original container because it is still there with just 1 leaf, no activity at all. And this is how my 3 pots of geranium look. Now this is my Echeveria Milako, one of the oldest succulent, and I saw a huge army of ants, red ants, running up and down, and I too got bitten. So I have to look into it. This brings me to the end of this short plant video. Thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Keep smiling. Be safe. Bye bye.